The team here on the ground confirming that the Progress 53 has undocked. You can see it here moving away from the space station. Space station getting smaller in this view coming from the Progress. Undocked confirmed at 8:29 a.m. Central Time, while the station and Progress were about 228 miles above Mongolia. Again, Progress 53 now making its way slowly away from the space station after undocking at 8:29 a.m. Central Time. The springs that propelled the Progress away from the space station after its hooks are opened move it away at about 0.12 meters per second, which is about 1/4 of a mile per hour. It's currently moving slowly away from the space station, as you can see here. And in about 1 minute and 13 seconds, will perform its first separation burn that will speed up that departure a little bit. At that point, it'll begin moving away at 1.5 miles per hour, following a 15-second thruster firing. Its departure from the station's Zvezda module clears that docking port up for the arrival in August of the 5th automated transfer vehicle from the European Space Agency. That'll be launching from Kourou, French Guiana on an Ariane 5 rocket in late July. About 20 seconds now until that first separation burn. The team here reporting that separation burn's underway. You can see the speed increasing a bit as the Progress moves away from the space station. Team here on the ground reporting that the separation burn was complete and everything looking nominal so far as the Progress continues to move away from the space station. Scheduled to reach the 6-kilometer point at 9:16 a.m. Central. That time it'll be about 3.7 miles away from the space station. And it'll continue increasing its distance until its deorbit burn begins at 11:34 a.m. Central Time.
Moscow Station, Space to Ground 1. Go ahead on Space to Ground 1. Nikolai, the docking interface is clear of any FOD. Looks very good, and I'm going to put the pictures in the folder named after the number of the radiogram. I actually don't think they require downloading on OCA for downlink. If you check a radiogram step number 4, you need to save them onto hard drive, and then you will be returning those with your hard drive. Actually, I do see it on OCA, so It has to go on both OCA and the hard drive. And with that, are you ready to copy the EDVU data? Actually, let me go to the central post and I'll call you back. Okay?
Готов.
Nikolai, go ahead with the information. Okay, so these are EDVUs that used to be used for water. So there are two of them. You can use them in any sequence you'd like. So lid number 1080, bucket 649. And the second lid number is 1090. And bucket number 678. They're stowed behind panel 401 in the FGB.
За 404, наверное.
I think you meant 404, panel 404.
Progress 53 just visible here at the top of the screen. Coming into view following its undocking. Again, that took place at 8:29 a.m. Central Time. And it's been making its way away from the space station since then. Completed its first separation burn at 8:32.
I stand corrected.
And teams here on the ground confirmed that everything looks good with that separation burn, so it should be getting on track now for its eventual deorbit burn, which will drop it back into the Earth's atmosphere, allow it to burn up along with the trash that the space station's sending away.
So 1087 and 1090. Okay, I copy. 1087 and 1090. Good read back.
Я тебе сказал, 11:46 накачано из бака, да?
And 11:46 has been filled from the tank. Right, for EDVRP. I copied that.
Нет, не заменил. Просто накачано.
And you replaced it at 11:46? No, I filled it at 11:46. So prepared at 11:46.
Хорошо.
Yes, that's right. Okay.
Progress 53 now visible here clearly in the center of the screen as the Progress and station orbit about 260 miles above the North Pacific Ocean, having just crossed over the coast of Russia and just about now into the dark part of this orbit around the Earth. Another view here from cameras on the exterior of the space station that just showed a bit of the progress in the lower right-hand corner of the screen, just visible. And the horizon in view in the background as the station moves into darkness.